Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fantastic kitchen gadget that can take your baking game to the next level, the Electric Hand Mixer, a powerful 300W handheld mixer designed to simplify your mixing tasks and elevate your culinary creations. We found this product online, and as always, we've added the link in the description so you can check out the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is this electric hand mixer? It's a compact yet mighty tool that comes equipped with a robust 300-watt motor, making it perfect for a variety of mixing tasks in the kitchen. Whether you're whipping up a batch of cookies, blending ingredients for a cake, or simply mixing eggs for breakfast, this hand mixer is designed to get the job done efficiently. One of the standout features of this mixer is its 5-speed settings, plus a turbo boost option. This versatility allows you to tackle different recipes with ease. Starting at a lower speed is highly recommended to prevent any splattering, especially when dealing with dry ingredients. You can gradually increase the speed as needed, making it suitable for everything from fluffy whipped cream to thick dough. Another fantastic feature is the secure one-click eject design. This is a game-changer for those who appreciate safety and cleanliness in the kitchen. With just a simple press of a button, you can easily remove the beaters or dough hooks without any hassle, keeping your hands clean and minimizing the risk of accidents. Heat dissipation is often overlooked in many kitchen gadgets, but not with this mixer. It employs advanced air convection technology to dissipate heat quickly, which not only prolongs the life of the mixer but also ensures optimal performance during extended use. This means you can mix with confidence, knowing that your mixer won't overheat while you're whipping up your favorite treats. Weighing in at just 1.3 pounds, this hand mixer is incredibly lightweight, making it perfect for one-handed use. This feature is particularly beneficial for those who may struggle with heavier appliances. Its ergonomic design allows for a comfortable grip, enabling you to mix, whip, and blend without feeling fatigued, so you can really enjoy your baking time. Now, who is this electric hand mixer suitable for? It's perfect for home bakers, both novice and experienced, who want a reliable tool to assist them in the kitchen. If you love baking cakes, cookies, or pastries, or if you need a quick and efficient way to mix batters or whipped cream, this mixer could become your new best friend. It's also great for families who enjoy cooking together, as it's simple enough for anyone to use. Practical use cases for this mixer are endless. Imagine whipping up some fresh cream for a dessert, mixing dough for homemade bread, or even preparing mashed potatoes for dinner with ease. The included dough hooks make it easy to knead dough without the need for heavy machinery, and the versatile beaters can handle any mixing task you throw at them. In terms of support, you're not left alone after your purchase. This mixer comes with a 3-month money-back guarantee, a 2-year free warranty, and lifetime customer service. That means if you ever have questions or concerns, help is just a call away. To wrap it up, the electric hand mixer is a powerful, versatile, and user-friendly tool that can enhance your baking experience, whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out. With its thoughtful design and robust performance, it's definitely a worthy addition to any kitchen. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.